Today we are meal prepping together, and the goal of this video is to hopefully give you guys some new recipes and also show you that meal prep shouldn't take you all day and it's actually super easy. I first like to organize my meal prep by the order of which I'm gonna do things. First things first, I'm gonna prepare everything that I'm gonna be putting into the oven so I can knock that out of the way and get on to the other stuff. It's also super helpful to set up a little workstation. So what I'm gonna be putting into the oven today is Brussels sprouts and sweet potato. So I'm gonna cut these up, stick them in the oven, and move on to my next task. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and get to chopping. Brussels sprouts are done. This probably took me like 2 minutes max to chop everything up. Staying organized during your meal prep is key to having it not take forever. That's why I like to organize my tasks and do them in order of what's gonna take me the longest to what's not gonna take me so long. Since I know that the sweet potatoes and the Brussels sprouts are gonna be in the oven for quite some time, I wanna put that in the oven first before moving on to my next tasks. So my Brussels sprouts and my sweet potatoes are ready to go in the oven. The sweet potatoes are gonna go in exactly like this, but I am gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the Brussels sprouts. Then I'm gonna shake it up, add some sea salt, some black pepper, and stick it in the oven. I put 30 minutes, but the sweet potatoes usually take a little bit longer. The Brussels sprouts should be done between 20 to 25 minutes, so just make sure that you're checking up on them so that they don't burn. So now that the Brussels sprouts and the sweet potatoes are done, I'm gonna move on to my next task, which is making my favorite dish. So I've already set up my station and I have all the items that I'm gonna be needing for my next meal. So for this, you're gonna need some ground turkey, a whole bell pepper, some taco seasoning mix, you're gonna need some garlic, and some 96.4 ground beef. So to start off, you want to make sure that your pan is nice and hot, and then you're going to spray it with some 0-calorie spray. Dump in the garlic and the peppers. We are reaching the end of this meal prep. All I have left to make is chicken, and I've already set up my station here. So we're gonna be using chicken tenderloins, and these are the spices that we're gonna be mixing today to make like a rub on top of the chicken. Paprika, put some in there, some onion powder, some crushed red pepper to give it a bit of spice, and I go ham with this because I like it spicy. Some sea salt, mix it all together. The key to making chicken that isn't dry is that you have to make sure that your pan is really hot before you put it on the pan. And then you want to wait until there's a white ring around the chicken, and that's how you know that it's time to flip it. You flip it over and you leave it on the other side for like 2 minutes max, and then you take it off. If you leave it on too long, that's when it gets dry. You don't want to overcook it either. 0-calorie cooking spray. And there you have it, guys. Super simple but delicious meal prep for the week. Make sure that you stay tuned to my next video where I show you all the meals that I make with all of this food that I just made. Okay guys, so it is the next day and I wanted to make the vlog a little bit longer. Today I'm actually going to workout class in the beach that I was invited to. They invited me to go work out at Anatomy Gym. I've never been there before, so it should be a very fun workout. It's supposed to be a 45-minute intense workout, so I'm excited for that. I did go to the gym this morning because I really wanted to do legs and I didn't want to skip out on it. So I'm gonna be doing 2 workouts today, which I never do, and I don't recommend you guys do 2 a days. 1 workout a day is enough, but I just wanted to take you guys along with me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, go! getting after it. Let's go. Four, three, two, go!
Alright friends, I'm gonna close the vlog off here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed coming along with me in yesterday's workout and seeing me get tortured by another trainer. That's always fun. I'm gonna go get these ratchet nails fixed because I leave to California. By the time you guys see this video, I would be leaving to California in 4 days. So I'm so excited. I need to go get these nails fixed and get ready for my Cali trip, which get ready for some travel vlogs coming soon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel on your way out. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video.